everybody, this is a video of the properties around the block at my house. But there's a previous video that is a tour of my own house that I own. So the link to that will be in the description down below. So people have been wondering about the properties of my family here. We're going to start at the back of my property, well, the property on which my house is built. So there's the very back, little stove, propane here. We'll pan around. There's the inside. It's a nice concrete house, but with rebar and painted walls. But notice the concrete floor. So we're going to go forwards here, past this house in the back of our property, I guess. So this is the area where they wash the dishes and clothes. There is a clothes dryer, open facing, not dryer, clothes washer. And there's the area between the two houses. And of course, as I've shown in another video, our house is also nice concrete painted walls, also tiled floors. Notice on our property that the outside area is all concrete. Again, clothes washer, they don't use it very much because it takes a lot of electricity, so they usually wash their clothes here, they wash their pots and pans here, and they wash other things. The babies take baths in it's not here right now, but a small low bucket, and that's here. So this area is usually wet. This is the new congregation area. It's got these benches and table. They're foldable. They've got little handles on them when you fold them, and you can carry them around if you want to. There's the karaoke machine that we bought for the family here. Another tricycle. We often ride in one. There's the inside of the passenger area, and one passenger can sit on the back. Sometimes a passenger with a child. Another tricycle. That's where we dry the clothes. And again, concrete. So now, that's the doors to bring a vehicle in. I'm going to go for the people door. Here's our street. That yellow house is family. It's the only house on its property, and also has a concrete area outside, concrete build, and nice tile floors. That's the farthest house on. That's as far as our properties go this way. Here's the house across the street. Notice the kind of gravelish, large rocks and small rocks that are on the outside of the property. Now, let's look in here. The house is made of cinder blocks, but the inside's kind of nice, but it's only a single room. Now, if I go upstairs, may I go upstairs? There, it's made of wood, and then nice polished wood here, and it's a bedroom. So I'm gonna go downstairs. Going downstairs is difficult for me because I have nerve damage in my left leg. Now, it's kind of a duplex, so here is the rest of the duplex slash house. Concrete floor, concrete walls. This is a bedroom, and we're going to go outside the back door. There's their stove. Again, the stoves are all propane. There's no natural gas. There's a chicken. Here's the outside again in the back, and a bunch of wood and trees and stuff. Right there is where they make campfire type things to, they also cook with that. You're gonna go under the drying clothes. You got a little table, nice bench. The ground is like that. More clotheslines. And there are some chicken coops. Here's another house like that one. Notice it's made of cinder blocks. This one has wood walls, and it's mostly made of bamboo type-ish stuff. It kind of looks like something from Gilligan's Island or Robinson Crusoe. Here's an open kind of room, no door. Again, the wood slats, and there's the floor.
And there's the baby.
Sorry folks, I had to edit a part out because going upstairs, they said that the upstairs was structurally unstable, and so I'm editing out the part where everybody is yelling at me and nagging me to not go upstairs. I forgot to mention in the video that the next property is less than a quarter-mile away. Here's my brother's place. There's the entrance. We got here on a tricycle. No, I was gonna show it to you earlier, but I'm not supposed to walk that much because of the nerve damage in my left leg. So here's the original first house. Here's the ground. It's again, it's mostly gravel. There's a congregation place right there. We're gonna keep going. Goes back over there. That house in the background, that's my aunt's house. It's one of those nice ones with tile and so forth. And this place is just really big. There's another congregation place where we're actually going to hang out later. Doggy! And it keeps going back and back and back. And that is just a kind of a, I don't know, that's nothing. It has a roof, but there's no purpose of it. It goes back here. But I'm going to, oh, there's a pile of gravel, so I'm not going to go that way. And then it goes back here. It's really huge. And there's, I think that's a chicken coop. That's a chicken coop. There's some chickens. There's more chickens and a doggy. And it goes back there. That's another home that my family lives in. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more chicken coops. And that's the end of the property. It's really big. The other thing I might say about these properties is that the ones that don't have concrete on the outside, chicken coop, you litter. It's just, you got trash, throw it on the ground. You got a cigarette butt, throw it on the ground. But the ones with concrete, you don't litter. So that's kind of a thing. So anyway, that's another property.